Crumpled newspaper strewn by his chair in the room, and the ashtray overflows, and the cigarette smoke competes with the smell of beef. She's fixing a meal, so she asks him if he'll pick the kids up, so off he goes, like a sleepwalking dreamer, a robot in second gear. And she stays indoors, bakes a little more as each sad dull day drags on, until it gets to the point where she can't see the point in even giving her hair a comb. When the woman at home has a man of the home at home, at home. When the woman at home has a man of the home at home. He's adrift in the void where the great unemployed fall in place on the fringe of life. In the beggarman queue, in the lineup of fallen pride. As a husband collects his redundancy check, 20th century welfare wife has to smile at the kids while she's hiding the hurt inside. So she plays and says, "How was school today?" And the sad charade goes on. And before very long, she's beginning to long for a slice of life of her own. When the woman at home has a man of the home at home, at home. When the woman at home has a man of the home at home. Crumpled newspaper strewn by his chair in the room, and the ashtray overflows, and the cigarette smoke still competes with the smell of beer. And she's holding the knife and considering life slowly dying, and no one knows that she's crying inside, wanting someone outside to hear. Then the kids appear. She wipes away her tear, dries her eyes, and life goes on. It seems such a shame she should feel so ashamed when it's no fault of her own. When the woman at home has a man of the home at home, at home. When the woman